Hello friends, welcome to my channel MySakhi. Today we will make Margherita bread pizza and we'll make homemade pizza sauce made with fresh ingredients. So let's start making it. So first of all we will make pizza sauce. For this we will take 2 tablespoons of oil in a pan. Now we will add 2 medium-sized chopped onions in it, 7 to 8 garlic cloves. And now fry this onion and garlic until it becomes translucent. Here I am making pizza sauce of 3 tomatoes, so I have added onion and garlic accordingly. If you want to make more sauce, then increase the quantity of onion, garlic and tomatoes. Here you can see that the onion has become translucent. We will not fry it too much, we will just fry it till this stage. Now we will add tomatoes in this. I have cut the tomatoes into 2 parts. First we will keep them in the pan with the tomato skin down, so that the tomatoes become soft from the bottom side and leaves its skin. So now cover the pan and leave the tomatoes to soften for 3 to 4 minutes. After cooking for 3 to 4 minutes, the tomatoes have become soft from the bottom side. Now we will turn these tomatoes and from the other side also we will soften them again for 3 to 4 minutes. Here I have turned all the tomatoes. Now cover the pan and let them cook for 3 to 4 minutes. After cooking again for 3 to 4 minutes, you can see that the tomatoes have become completely soft and have also left its skin. So now we will remove the skin of these tomatoes with tongs and separate them. If you don't want to remove the skin of tomatoes, then you can make this tomato sauce without removing the skin also. Here I have removed the skin of all the tomatoes. Now we will press them with the help of spatula and will mash them like this. You can see how easily the tomatoes are mashed because they have become soft and cooked well. Here I have mashed all the tomatoes in this way. Now we will add a spoonful of pizza seasoning, half tablespoon of oregano, salt according to taste. And to make this sauce sweet, we will add 2 spoonsful of tomato sauce to it. Now we will mix all this well. If you don't have a tomato sauce available, then add 2 spoons of sugar to it. Now again cover the pan and let it cook with these ingredients on a very slow flame for 2 to 3 minutes. So it's been 2 minutes since this sauce has been cooking. You can see that the tomatoes and spices have cooked well and the oil has also started separating. So now we will let them cool, and after they cool, grind them in a mixture grinder and prepare a sauce. Here I have prepared fresh and very tasty pizza sauce by grinding them in a mixture grinder. So now here I have taken a baking tray. I have covered the tray with the foil paper so that our bread slices don't stick to it after being baked. And here I have cut off the sides of the bread slices also. Now arrange these bread slices on the tray. If you don't have a foil paper or parchment paper, then apply some oil and flour on the tray. This will also prevent the bread slices from sticking to it. Now first we will apply mayonnaise on these bread slices. Mayonnaise is optional here. You cannot use if you want. But I would suggest to use a mayonnaise to make this bread pizza extra creamy and tasty. Now we will apply pizza sauce on this mayonnaise layer. You can pack this pizza sauce in a container and store it in the fridge for 15 to 20 days, and later you can use it. Now finally we will put a lots of mozzarella cheese on it. Here I am using pre-shredded mozzarella cheese. You can use any mozzarella cheese. If you have sliced mozzarella cheese, you can use it too. Or if you have a mozzarella cheese in block, then grate it and spread it on top. So here is time to bake them. I have preheated the OTG on 180 Celsius for 10 minutes. So now we will bake this bread pizza in OTG on 180 Celsius with both rods on for 10 minutes. So very easy and tasty Margherita bread pizza made with fresh ingredients, homemade tomato sauce and lots of mozzarella cheese is ready. So to enjoy the taste of Margherita pizza without making pizza dough, try this quick and easy method. If you like the recipe, then don't forget to like, share and subscribe to my YouTube channel.